Hey there, creative and spiritual entrepreneurs. Today, I have a special invite to share with you. Today, I'm inviting you to my workshop, Roadmap to 5K Months. Inside the workshop, I cover hitting your income goals, your big money vision, creative income streams, your freedom number, and how to identify it. And best of all, I give you a sneak peek behind my 9K month in my creative business. So if you know that you would love to hit 3 to 10K months, I invite you to join us for $27 for a limited time. Come on inside. Hey there, creative and spiritual entrepreneurs. Today, I'm here to share a special offer with you. I want to invite you to my workshop, Roadmap to 5K Months. Inside, I show you how to hit your income goals, develop your big money vision, find creative income streams, and how to identify your freedom number. Best of all, I give you a sneak peek behind the scenes to my 9K month in my creative business. So if you know you would love to hit 3 to 10K months, I invite you to join me now for just $27 for a limited time. Add this special one-time offer to your order and let's allow money and abundance to flow.